Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Somebody's inviting me to their stable. I'm chatting, so I can't talk to them. No hate, no shade. Okay. Also, I don't have a face cam thing in this one because I don't want to.
Do for a game.
No, she does want to.
No, I can. I just don't.
I kind of want to, but I'm just not. So I got a Epona today. Isn't that amazing?
Isn't that
amazing?
amazing?
And that's just like, and it's just like.
But today I'm going to be doing
level one's asking how. And this is
I'm going to be doing some quests thing. Yeah.
Did you just collect this planet earlier? I mean, I guess they go for people watching this video that haven't played your studio yet. That place is close to Moorland. You unlocked it. People haven't played the video. You unlocked the place close to Moorland, right?
Anyway, okay.
Well, it actually kind of is.
So,
Kind of close.
is it?
There's a freaking helicopter just staring at us.
Is it Epona kind of close to Moorland?
Yeah, look on the map.
Well, once you I hate this cutscene. I already watched it.
Just sit down.
Disgusting.
Okay, so I think most of us are going to be doing something quest. Because
I
life
have to go back to
is good. So we're going to need new roads. We gotta go to Silverwood Village. Great for this main quest. Okay. I'm level 19, by the way.
We already knew that.
Wow.
It's been 5 years, Herbert.
Okay.
I'm level 16. Nobody knew because literally I leveled up 2 minutes ago.
You did?
I didn't even know you were level
Yes,
16.
you're not.
I thought you were still level 6, starting 15.
You never even told us.
When you
I
don't.
just told you like 10 minutes ago.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You weren't excited about it.
I was excited.
Go faster, horse! I mean,
use in the making.
We didn't even hear you
Why
say
am I not
that.
allowed in here? I mean, I want to open.
Did it?
You haven't opened that gate, have you?
It's 3:18.
I've opened every single glitch.
I'm just gonna run past all these people
I've
before they
opened every
touch me and
single
say, "Hey,
glitch.
can I friend you?" I'm gonna run past all these people before they touch me and say, "Hey, can I friend you?" And I say no. I'm
Why
just
they
kidding.
wanna friend
I'm
you?
just. I'm literally just kidding.
Because you found a fan.
Oh, by the way, our club is very, 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 very,
Wait, was she
very
like
small right now.
Actual fan.
Okay.
You found.
No, she just
She
friended
just
me.
friended me.
Ride to everyone feels with Evergrey and me. And
Is that a me?
to me is
Do you wait, you don't have
friends.
your training yet?
Let's run. No, I don't.
I thought you did.
I thought I did.
When do you get it?
I don't
Is
know.
there like a certain? You get it at level 18 or 19.
Yeah.
18.
After you save Anne, you get it. I'm close to saving Anne.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're pretty close, actually.
Yeah, sort of.
Wait, you don't have to be level 22?
No. I found this girl who saved Anne at level 17.
Dude! I have some idea.
But you have to do all your main quests and stuff. Okay, so. What in
Everyone
the
is
whole wide
important.
world? What do you want? Stone ground. Yeah, no, I don't want to. Okay. He says next stop the Valley of Hidden
You still have
Gems.
that quest?
No, I've
You
done it.
got-
No,
You
No,
get that at
no,
level
shh,
14.
I already finished it, but this is another quest. I'm supposed to meet him in the Everwent Fields for him to take me to Dino Valley again.
Why can't you just run here?
Because Evergrey told me to meet him with its old friend. And I was like, oh, it's Nick.
Can we just try?
I don't know
Nick's so
whether to call him NIC, NC, or Nick. I don't know.
Me. He's calling me.
Karen.
Well, let's see.
Yeah, she's like Karen.
Who is?
Ride with Evergrey. I forgot where we were going. I don't pay attention to
I don't
anything.
know. I want to go to the pool. Let's go.
If you didn't know, you want to go to the pool?
It's not that, like,
It's
I like going to the pool when it's
green.
I like going to when
It's hot outside.
it's not hot outside.
It's like 78 degrees for that.
It's raining.
Just nice.
No, in the game, dingus.
In the game, dingo. Shut up.
Just got you copyrighted. Freaking opposite way. I hate going here. I have to go to this weird town with like the 4 horses in it. I hate going here.
That's the worst.
I know, it's so
Speed
annoying.
up, slow down.
Shut up!
I'm sorry.
It's easy though.
I want to throw my computer across the room.
So do I. But guess what? None of us get our
Can we
way.
just
Because we are toddlers and we got taught that the right way. By getting smacked and thrown into the timeout chair in the corner and had to suck
You
our
had it-
thumb.
You had a timeout chair? I had a room.
Yeah,
I had, like,
so
a
did I.
special room in
I
my house.
still have a room in my
Yeah,
house where I still go.
you share?
In your bedroom.
Yeah, where my mom's just like, you're bad.
Guess what? So we had a special room in my house where we would go for when we were bad. Like a special room. I'm
Was it a
kidding.
torture room?
No, I'm just kidding.
My special room where I would go.
My special room, so when I'm angry, I can just destroy everything.
So that I don't get in trouble again. And
Bruh, you're gonna make.
why did you just do
Your
that?
parents pay. Your parents pay every day to get new furniture because their daughter destroys them daily.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm
It's
late for my
daily.
destroying everything in my room.
So here's my morning routine. So first I wake up, and then about at lunchtime, I will go destroy some walls with my sledgehammer.
Yeah, I just got. Guess what? I just got a new sledgehammer. For Christmas. Christmas was a while back, but it is pretty new. It's pretty nice since I've not had destroyed any walls in a while because I decided I want to be more civilized. But I did destroy one yesterday because I was just not in a great mood.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you just see my horse just walk away?
She does comedy.
Huh.
We all do. Shh, you hear that? I don't hear anything.
Yeah.
We gotta
I
keep
thought your
going.
horse ran away, and I'm just like, oh, that quest. How did
We are heroes of the world.
Lafayette. I drive a revolution every step. Me another weed and a Lafayette. How does
Go
this
get
go?
her back. I don't know.
This isn't the way to go, unless it is. This is the Soul Riders camp. This is where they talk the night before they say the end.
No, it's not. You're not saving Anne.
No, idiot. This is where they talk, you know?
Cricket.
At one point.
Yeah.
remember?
Daddy pig.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Who's the
Like
daddy? Daddy pig.
I'm gonna blast Hamilton. Oh, wait, Hamilton. I'm watching the Karen song.
I'm sorry for your ears, but she's listening to the Karen song. She's listening to the Karen sock.
Employees,
We're dying!
employees when they see Karen, her objective survive. Karens when they see a funny Facebook post when in public.
I'm getting abs by just laughing. Ow.
When you see a little girl running at a lemonade stand and you're scared that she will depreciate your neighborhood property value by $5, whilst compelling
Okay.
and Karen.
Did you say Karen is such a rare species?
No. Like the Harry Potter Karen. Look!
I'm sorry, guys. Something goes
Nobody
in, but
Karen during lockdown. If I can't kiss my kids on the mouth, I'm going to hurt an animal. you tried speaking to the manager within? New McDonald's employees.
They still call me CEO.
Where's the manager?
Wait, guys, I think my horse is gonna get stolen once I go into the stonecutter vault and talk to Conrad.
Yay. Your horse is
Happy emote!
Guys! I just saw Cortana. It sucks.
Cortana!
I just saw Cortana on Star
Shut! I'm trying to
She's
talk
on
to
Star
Cortana.
Talk to Cortana.
Can you let me?
No. Cortana's like a really redeemed. She's been mean to me.
Where is she?
The Cortanas.
Where
Several-
is Cortana?
Several years ago,
Why isn't my microphone on?
when I was just a wee child.
Me, Amelie, Lafayette. Dino's been texting.
What did he say? It was Dino. Is everyone in the background?
No, this was from yesterday.
Dino texted yesterday.
This was
Zip! Zip! Zap!
For a second, I thought it was
Zoom!
yesterday because we missed it. And I'm just like, oh, heck no. No. Aaron Burke, me.
Hurry
Olivia,
up,
and Lafayette.
cutscene. Okay, stop copyright. Copyright. Yay! I'm just gonna do this to kill your ears while
Okay,
we're
be quiet, be quiet, be
listening
quiet,
to
be
that
quiet.
song.
It's good. Now this part. Me, Amelie, Lafayette. And
That was all.
No more. Guys, my horse is gonna get stolen. Hold on, I have to do this.
It looks like coffee.
Spin, spin, spin! You spin me right round, baby, right round.
Like a
baby.
record, baby.
Don't get it copyrighted.
Ow! That
I
hurt.
get blacked out.
Are you Aaron Burke?
Are you embarrassed, sir?
Okay,
I'm a
put
trust
it
fund
on.
baby. You can trust me.
Shh! Put it down. Smack, 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 smack! There. Oh gosh, there's so many running back and forth I need to do.
Play that one.
On
I'm a trust
me,
fund.
Amelie, je m'appelle Lafayette.
Play the first one on the list.
Came from afar just to say, bonsoir. The gang says, who's the best?
Okay. Okay, they're listening to
They're
they're listening to him.
mother
Timer, what are you talking about? Oh.
I came from afar just to say what's wrong.
Okay, well, I think that's gonna be all for this video. Bye.